Hey everyone, welcome back to Reproductive Care. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important but often misunderstood. Narcotics. What are they? How do they affect us? And why should we care? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of narcotics and their impact on our lives. Let's get started. 1. Definition of narcotics. First things first. What exactly are narcotics? The term narcotics is often used to describe drugs that relieve pain and induce sleep. But here's the thing. The word narcotic can mean different things depending on who you ask. In the medical world, narcotics refer to opioids, drugs like morphine, codeine, and oxycodone. These are prescribed by doctors to manage severe pain. But in legal terms, narcotics can include a wider range of illegal drugs like heroin or cocaine. Confusing, right? That's why it's important to understand the context when someone uses the word. 2. How narcotics work. Now let's talk about how narcotics work. When you take a narcotic, it targets your brain's opioid receptors. These receptors are like little locks, and narcotics are the keys that unlock them. Once activated, they block pain signals and release a flood of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This is why narcotics can make you feel euphoric. But here's the catch. Your brain loves dopamine so much that it starts craving more, and that's where the danger of addiction comes in. The risks of narcotics. Speaking of addiction, narcotics come with serious risks. When used improperly or for too long, they can lead to dependency, overdose, and even death. In fact, the opioid crisis has become a global issue affecting millions of lives. 4. Legal versus illegal narcotics. Now let's clear up the difference between legal and illegal narcotics. Legal narcotics like prescription opioids are regulated and used for medical purposes, but illegal narcotics like heroin are produced and sold outside the law, often with no quality control. This makes them even more dangerous because you never really know what you're getting. Mixing substances or taking contaminated drugs can have deadly consequences. 5. How to stay safe. So, how can you stay safe? If you're prescribed narcotics for pain, follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Never share your medication and dispose of unused pills properly. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, don't hesitate to seek help. There are amazing resources out there, from hotlines to support groups, that can guide you toward recovery. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about narcotics and why they're such a big deal. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.